Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you where your what is it called again, the cigarette lighter fuse location is. So if your cigarette lighter over here, if this is not working, then it could be a fuse problem or a wiring problem. So the first thing I typically go and do when there's an issue, if something's not working, is I like to check the fuse boxes, which is why you're probably on this video. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to take off the fuse box, guys. Okay, so just here you have one screw here that just twists with your fingers, and then there's another one just over there. Okay, you simply just twist that off, pop that down like so. Okay, and you just slide that down. And to read the fuse box, you turn this around, okay, and you'll read it this way, alright? Let me just zoom that in. Okay, so here is your fuse boxes, or your fuse numbers, and over here we'll be looking at this one right here, which is number 8 with a cigarette. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, and then up underneath here, up underneath here, here is your fuse boxes. Okay, just up here. So this is your fuse box. Okay, I'm gonna try and zoom in a bit. Okay, so to read the fuse box, you simply take a look at your diagram. Okay, so as you can see, your diagram here, you have big fuses over here. You have more here, more here, and more here. Yours is in the middle row. Okay. Okay, so we just go up here, and then as you guys can see, there's your big fuses are up here. There's your first row, second row, and third row. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, and you're going to count the fuses. So you'll go from right to left, so you'll be going 1, 2, 3. That's an 8, and it is a 20 amp fuse. Okay, I believe it is number 18, row 8. Sorry, 20 amp fuse, number 18 is the fuse. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. Okay, so we're going to go over here, number 18. Okay, so just up here, just remember it's 1, 2, 3 to the 3 across the right from the left. Okay, so just go look up into our fuse box. It's this one. Okay, so you go from down to up, 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you can also see there's little numbers up on top. It's very hard to see it, but that's not 20, 19, 18. Okay, you're number 18, so you'll pop this one out. Okay, this one right there. I really hope I'm explaining this properly, but yeah, that's your number 3 fuse that I went across, right? Number 18, and that is your cigarette lighter. Okay, guys, so you just pop this one here out. Okay, you'll pop this one and pop a new one back in. Make sure you check it, make sure it's all good, and yeah, that is how you do change your cigarette lighter fuse, and that's where it's located. And I apologize for the camera. It's very hard to get angles in here, and also I don't really have much light. So I hope that was understandable. I will post some pictures in the video as well to make it a bit easier. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, peace out.